Let's bring in Anjana. अंजना जी को बुलाया जाए.
Okay. Happy Diwali to you, Digital Pratik.
Thank you so much, Anjana ji. Wish you the same.
My question is, how do you keep consistency? First question is, how do you maintain a consistency? I sometimes get lost with consistency. One day I post, second day I forget, then again I make the calendar. So my problem is now with consistency.
By being patient.
So how do you plan the calendar?
No, I don't plan. As you have seen in my 6-week thing, I don't plan everything.
But you keep on the phone. No, we are not on the phone, so we don't get. So how to be consistent? How?
But that's the point. 100%. So let me answer you and break you down into a couple of things. So Anjana ji, when you try to subconsciously compare my behavior and my life online with your life, let's compare another pehlu in that. The another point which I'm trying to compare is that I do 100 unique pieces of content and you are trying to do 1.
Yeah, correct.
So there is no difference between me being on mobile or you not being on mobile. Right?
Correct.
The only point is, see, when you are trying to see this digital Pratik, you are seeing me after all these years where I have certain, this is like me driving car and you trying to learn driving car. You will be so conscious about the steering which you will hold, the gear which you will shift, the accelerator which you will pad, the clutch which you will pad. But me being a professional driver, I might be talking on phone or on speaker or with my family member in the back seat, and I would be driving at 120 kilometers per hour on a highway. So that makes a difference.
Correct.
So it's similar. It's similar. Right now in this content machine business, it's similar. All I am is I'm a professional guy who has been doing this since years. So my subconscious mind has a pattern. I don't have to do anything. Most of the things are being done on my professional level. I know what I'm speaking right now. I know this would be an IGTV episode, which I'll give it to my team. I know I'll chop this. I know my team will chop this. But this didn't happen over the night. Once I started in 2013 या 14, जब मैंने YouTube में at least start किया था, उससे पहले blog start किया था, I was struggling to even create one unique piece of blog article in one day because of 2 reasons. One, I didn't have practice or experience, and number 2, I didn't have a team. So both these things matter. Once you have experience of year and adding up with a team, you will by default be consistent. You'll by default be consistent, Anjana ji. See what happens with me, at least. All are different, Anjana ji. See, your age is different, my age is different, your conditions are different, my conditions are different, goals and my business is different, your goal and you're trying to build a business is different. There are so many different parameters as well when we are talking about right now with one specific thing, that how I am consistent on how you can be consistent. The reason why I'm going into all these factors is because we are talking about consistency of yours with respect to mine.
Yeah.
So first of all, we cannot compare that consistency. Second, there is a difference in the experience in a specific work. So experience has nothing to age, but it has to do something with the specific segment where we are working. So I have been working in this particular thing since past couple of years, and that's where I have been able to be consistent. So what you see is consistent digital Pratik. You are not saying consistent YouTuber or consistent Instagrammer.
Correct.
Right? While the first stage for you right now is to be at least be consistent on one single platform for the next 90 days. That is your challenge. So all I would say is for people like you, here is a hack, or I would say a practical proven way. That when I'm teaching you how to come up with 100 unique content ideas in the workshop, you can revise that again, or maybe week 3 and week 4 also has that particular part in detail, super detail. So try to use answerthepublic.com or any other tool. You just one tool, figure out 100 content ideas, fill out in a sheet, and that's it. Number that this is day 1, this is Monday, this is this date.
Okay.
That's how you plan. That's how you plan. Normal. Don't use any fancy tool. That is the reason I want to make you guys so simple and go that we can create all these things in the form of Google Sheets. We can do it in Google Docs, Google Slides, everything. All the content scheduler, which I'm showing you in week number 6 or week number 5, I guess, you can use them, but you will get frustrated when you don't have experience in the normal world as well. You know, I've gone through that phase, and still at this date, when I'm posting this many content, I swear on my parents, me or my team, we are not using any automated tool.
प्रॉब्लम क्या आती है ना, जैसे YouTube बना लिया, अब उसके बाद उसका एडिटिंग करना है, उसके बाद उसका थंबनेल बनाना है, उसके बाद उसका टैग लिखना है, फिर उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन लिखना है, so then you are boggled up. एक वीडियो में इतना कुछ तामझाम करना है, तो then फिर वो सारा चाम
It's hard work.
Yeah, that's the thing. खाली वीडियो बनाना ही नहीं है ना, the content is बाकी का जो बैक एंड का काम है, then you feel okay.
And this is where Anjana ji, this is where, see what happens is, ये खुद के मुंह से तारीफ करना बुरा लगता है मुझे, लेकिन ये closed group है तो कभी कभी मैं कर लेता हूँ. You know, this is where people like you will realize how much of the hard work I personally do. ये लगता easy है.
Yes sir, you know? बहुत easy नहीं है sir. Time consuming इतना है, it obviously takes lot of time. Up description 5,000 words, and to write out of 5,000 at least 1,000, it takes time. First you record, then you make a text speech, then copy paste it, so it requires a lot of time. Even if you don't write, you speak and then type, also it will take time.
I'll show you a real time example. So by the way, thing which I have just uploaded for you guys, so growth school team will send it out to you. जैसे मैंने promise किया था, all the consulting scripts for comments, DMs. Then I'm also sending you one prospect digital marketing proposal, which I had sent in the month of February 2020 before pandemic. But then after pandemic, I have closed all those things. So ये मेरा last proposal है जो मैंने भेजा था. Then how to deal with intro discovery call with prospect in real time. If you can see, this is what time, 8:46 p.m., 8:52 p.m. before coming on this call. And what I was literally doing is, I was literally typing all these things in the document. I have downloaded this as PDF and I've just uploaded that for you guys. Literally, I have typed all these things. There are mistakes, grammatical mistakes as well. See? And another thing which I'll show you is, because one of my gangsters is busy, uska marriage hai, and he is one of my hardcore graphic designer. Now, because he is busy right now, I cannot withdraw anything. So I created a PDF right now on Canva, which is for all my token holders. Okay. I did that in Canva, and now I downloaded this as PDF. And if I go into my Discord, look at the time, 8:58 p.m. Can you see this time? 8:58 p.m. 2 minutes before I joined this call. I posted this by writing this and uploading this. So all I'm saying is, it's my subconscious pattern now. Like I literally, this is the reason why I say I live and breathe content. And yes, what happens is, this is where I'll show you another thing. What happens is, the way you will live your years will make your life as your content. So if I search for content and Prateek on jiffy.com, if you search for that, there would be one particular Jiffy which would say my content is my business. I don't know, ये थोड़ा time लगेगा, but there is one particular my business is content. Look at this. This is the one with थोड़ा internet का problem रहेगा, but this is where it is saying my business is content. I literally live and breathe content. So it's a fact, Anjana ji. I mean, I don't have to explain you because आप जब age में बड़े हो मेरे से, you have a lot of other experiences in your life, which if I start talking, you will say, okay, Pratik, I know that shit. Cut that bullshit, you know, and then I would feel, Anjana ji, how do you know all these things? How can I be like that? How can I be like this? So it's the same thing which you are right now asking me. So there is no specific answer to how to be consistent. And this is where I dig deep down. Again, I could have told you 3 steps to become consistent. Utho, jago, dhyay prapti ke liye aage badho. I could have said all those fancy little sweet words, but it's useless, it's useless. Let's be practical in our lives, with our business and our brand building. Okay?
Thank you.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Got it.